Hello, I'm Val, and we did a lot of kicks in Charleston and stuff. So first, you can always warm up with the drills where you do single kicks, and you do double kicks, and you do quadruple kicks, boo-ba-doo, boo-ba-doo, ba, boo-ba-doo, 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 ba. So we did a lot of that. Then we did some combos where, for example, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, round the world, ba, ba. And then we did a slightly different double kick situation where on double kicks we went back like this, ba, ba. So you have skip up, boo-ba-doo, boo, ha, 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 boo-ba-doo, 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 ba, and around the world. And then we worked on airplanes. You can always build it up like this with rock steps, slowly adding kicks, and then you do kick and kick, kick and kick, kick and kick. So we did this for a while. Then we started doing basic Charleston and added some variations to that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we did this push on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. You can add the turn. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can stack them. And that's what we did.